So today I'll be answering the question, does the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra have screen mirroring? And the simple answer is yes. And to access screen mirroring, simply go to settings. Now, this is a settings page. So if you go to settings, this is the main settings page. You need to go to connected devices, tap on that. And then under connected devices, you should see smart view. And if you tap on that, that is actually the screen mirroring option. And if you set it up for the first time, you're going to go through some permissions, 1 or 2 pages prior to this. And then you'll see a list of TVs that you can screen mirror your phone to. You just need to make sure both the phone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now also, there's a shortcut. So from the home screen, if you swipe down to the control panel or the control center, you may see the smart view shortcut there. In case it's not there, then you need to find it in settings. So you can launch it from here and screen mirror. I have a full extensive video on that. So this video is just to confirm the S25 phones have screen mirroring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.